Hi, now we are discussing a important topic is called data types. So data types are this is a very lengthy topic. Approximately we are having 14 data types. We'll see all the 14 data types in this video. One by one we will discuss with the examples here. And data types are represents the data type present inside a variable is called as a data type. If we see here that different types of data types with the example. In Python, we are not required to specify the type explicitly because it is a dynamically typed. As we studied these of Python features, we know, and based on the value provided, the type will be assigned automatically. So, if suppose I have given a equal to 10, so you see which type of data type is by using the function is called as type function. Print type of a. So it gives the which type of data holds this identifier or this variable it shows here. We see this is a integer data type. Like that, if suppose I am giving 10.4, if you here when this is gives a float type of data type. So I want to get the address of this a. So we can go with the function is called as id. Print id of which letter a we see. So it is having the address 168.524.4384, the address of the A 10.4. So we are having the functions here print. The print is used to print the values. So when we are storing integer type of data into variable, it is acts as a int type. It acts as a int type. So you see here class int displays when we are giving type of a. If suppose we are having and we're also having we can represent int value in the following ways. So we are having this is binary form and octal form and hexadecimal form. We see one by one by examples. And if suppose I have assigned a equal to 10, so which is which form, which is a binary form. So this binary form I want to convert into so sorry, which is a decimal form with a base of 10, and which I want to convert this into a binary form by using the keyword is called bin of a. So we remove this id. We see the binary digit of this 10. So this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, and the binary represents 0b here. If I want to convert this a the decimal form into octal form, we go with the OCT. So it gives 0 O and 1 2. So octal means the 8 power 0 and 8 power 1, it like that it will come. And the one more form is there, that is hexadecimal form. So we can go with the hex. So it giving hexadecimal. The hexadecimal is here we see it starts with 0x and 10 represents a in the hexadecimal. Like this, we will convert this decimal value into binary, octal, and hexadecimal. So next we are having another type of data type is called float data type. So the float data type represents with the form of decimals. It's a combination of decimals. See, we are giving 10.4 print A, it displays 10.4, and I want to know about this data type. We can go with the print type of A. It gives the type of the variable. So it holds 10.4 means it is a floating point number, and that's why it is giving type is class float. So another type is there, complex data type. So the complex is a form of A plus BJ form. Here we are seeing the complex data form is 3 plus 2j. So this is a complex data form. I want to print this A. So it displays 3.2j and which it gives the type of the data. So 3.2j is stored in A. I want to print here by using the type of the data, type of A. It gives class is a complex. So here everything is shown in the object. So which is the object is here complex type. So this is real part, 3 is a real part, and 2 is a imaginary part. I want to extract a real and imaginary part from this A. So we can go with the symbol is we go with the syntax print A dot real. So it gives the only real value means 3 3.0, and I want to get, so here automatically it gives floating point 3 print a dot image imaginary part is here too, so it gives 2.0. Like this we will extract the data from the complex numbers. So the real part can we can extract with the a dot real, and imaginary part we can extract with the imaginary part. So another type of data type is bool data type. So a bool is a data type which represents boolean values. Bool is a data type which represents boolean values, and which allowed only true and false. Internally, Python represents true as a 1. Keep in mind, this is very important. Internally, Python represents true as 1 and false as a 0. If suppose I am deleting this all the program, I have given b equal to true. We have to keep in mind that true, false, and none starts with the capital letters. So b equal to true, and I want to print the type of b. Type of b. See here. So type of b I did not print it here. That's why it's not giving. So you go with the print function. It gives the type of b. See here. So here I am assigning b equal to true. This is a type of b, which is a boolean type. Boolean always gives either true or false. If suppose this true and the true represents 1 and 0 represents true represents 1 and false represents 0, I will show with the example print true plus true. See here 2. So true is 1, 1 and another true is 1. 1 plus 1 gives 2. So if suppose I have given true minus true, what will get, you will get the result, yes, 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. True minus false. So what type of what is the output you are expecting here? The output is 1, because 1 minus 0 is 1. So we are having another data type is called as string data type. String, a string is nothing but, here in the C language we are having string means is a collection of characters. But here string is nothing but whatever the data we are enclosed in double quotes, we are enclosed in double quotes is called as string. If suppose in the string I'm given 10, so whatever the data I provided in the double quotes is called as a string. It is treated as a string. See whether it is string or not with the type print type of str. See here class string. If suppose I have assigned only 10, what will it get? It get only int class as a integer. So means string is nothing but whatever the data we are providing within the codes, whatever the data we are providing within the codes is called as string in the Python. By using single quotes also or double quotes also we can represent multi-line string literals. So if suppose I have given here 10 I, three single quotes we give, and here also we give three single quotes. I want to print this only string. Execute here. See here, 10 high. With the space, it will print. So the multi-line print strings we can be used with the single triple quotes or double triple quotes. This can be seen in the strings. So we can also use triple quotes to use a single quote or double quote for using. So and we are having string slicing also. In this strings we are having string slicing. Example, the string I have given Ravi Kiran. So always here we see the string is always starts with 0. We means the slicing means we are giving the indexing. Means here the indexing is starts with 0 and ends with the n minus 1. If suppose the length of the string is here, the length of the string is 9. Means it starts with 0 and ends with the 8. Here r represents 0, str of 0 is R, str of 1 is A, str of 2 is V, str of 3 is I, str of 4 is K, str of 5 is I, str of 6 is R, str of 7 is A, and str of 8 is N. So I want to print here, we see the slicing is how can happen in the strings. str of 0, I'm executing this. So it just prints R. So if suppose I have given str of 5, it prints only I. str of 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I. So it presents, it gives the output is I. So here we have to we are traversing here from left to right. And another way of approach also is there in the strings. We can traverse from right to left by using the negative indexing. So here we see negative indexing is starts with the minus 1 and ends with the minus n. If suppose see here the length of the character is length of the string is here 9. So the minus 1 represents, see what? Here minus 1 represents n, and the length of the string is 9. Minus 9 colon minus 1. It gives total name. So here starts with 0 and ends with n minus 1, and the last letter is not going to print. For that reason we give just like this only. It gives total name of the string. This is called as string slicing. So we can achieve string slicing by like this. So in the strings we are having string repetition also. If suppose we see here, yeah, str into 3 means it will print thrice. See here, Ravi Kiran, Ravi Kiran, Ravi Kiran. This is called as string repetition. In Python, the following data types are considered as a fundamental data types, that are integer, float, complex, bool, and string. These are the fundamental data types. As we have discussed all these 5 types of data types in this video. So we are having another type of data types also we see in the next video. Okay. And one more thing, we see some examples of integer, how can it will typecasting, this kind of things also we see in the next video. Please follow and subscribe, like for more videos. Thank you very much.